No way. Guess who's back, chat? That's crazy. Who could have guessed that? Who could have guessed that I'd actually show back up, chat? No one could have guessed that one. I'm just gonna wait for people to join in. I should get my on-screen chat working. There we go. Now it should work. Okay, now that that's working. It's been a while, chat. Been a while. I have been working on my main project. Hello there. As I was saying, been a while. Been working on my main project instead of this project for a little while. Which, as you might know, is a operating system. So that's fresh in my mind. And I remember what this could do, but I don't remember its limitations or why it had those limitations. I also brought water with me for once. Who could have guessed that? I guess we should just like start with the fucking stream, huh? No, that's a pain. I don't have my shit set up for that. I need to fix my shit for that. I'm gonna be honest. None of my stuff works. It's still broken. It's mainly because I'm not logged in on Twitch on this computer. I'm not logged in on anything on this computer, only the bare minimum. Now let's go through this and figure out what I was attempting to do. Okay, so open this script. What does this script do? Okay, what happens if we run this? Chat, what happens if we run this? I need to know. I forgot what I was doing in the script. I don't know what's happening, chat. Oh, okay, so it works. Okay, chat. It turns out that works. Good job. Does this run anything after here? So if I just feel like, shut up, Windows. Print. What should I print in chat? Should I print like I think that's a good print. Try that. Oh fucking! I hate Windows. Try that. Okay, chat. That's a good sign. So like up to 4 AM, let's say. Probably 2 AM will be my limit, chat. I'm gonna be honest. Past 2 AM, I get too tired. Well, I'm gonna be honest, chat. I hate Windows, but no software is built for Windows, so it's very annoying. I don't know who else shares this annoyance, but nothing works on Windows. No, nothing works on Linux. Okay, like, well, not a lot. Like, it's getting better. Okay, but like, none of my software that I need to stream works on Linux, so I don't use Linux, and it gets really annoying sometimes. Okay, super duper annoying. Okay, it's annoying, chat. It's gonna get worse over time. I think Microsoft is slowly and surely killing Windows. Does that make any sense, chat? For me, yes, that is true, but you do get my point. Microsoft is, in fact, slowly and eventually gonna kill off Windows. Because of, well, it's just they're making it worse over time by filling it to the brim with ads. And nobody wants to just see ads in their OS. That's what I was trying to do. Chat, I remembered what I was trying to do in this. Oh yeah, but you know, like by default, they literally make it such a pain. They make it such a pain to use anything but Edge. But also, you're saying you haven't seen any, okay? What do you think these are? All this shit. Okay, like, all this shit. Like, I don't use LinkedIn. I don't use freaking what do I use? I don't use Spotify on this computer. I don't use Office on this computer. I don't use Outlook on this computer. Why is it all here? You say there's no ads, but then I show you there's ads. You've been disproven in 0.1 seconds. Okay. So chat, I remember what I was doing, chat. I was doing this. And then grabbing that. But now... Well, I don't fucking know what any of this is. Let's go with that for now. So, chat. I don't know. I haven't streamed in a while. Give me a second. I need to settle into streaming again. The only thing I hate about Windows 11 is that they tweaked with OOBE so that you need to connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet in order to continue setup. There was a workaround though, but you need to. Yes, that was a big controversy when Windows 11 just came out. Trust me, no one liked that decision. Everyone hated it, but everyone had to deal with it. It was so annoying. I get it though. I get it. It sucks. Okay, so I need to check. So, what's the best way to describe? So like, yeah, I genuinely do get you annoying to chat. It's so annoying. I don't know why they did that. I'm very annoyed at Windows right now. Just type in test function. Yeah, chat. I don't know what I'm doing if I'm being honest. I haven't looked at this code base in like a week, and I've already forgotten all of it. I can guess. So my best guess for what's happening here is that we are using these as spans, and then we have like a subspans like this, and we can run the code inside of that. But now, what I'm stumped on is how we do this. But then you're forced to sign in using Microsoft account, and sign in again to bring local CMD. Wait, and you again need CMD to bring the local account option. Yes. So this was a big controversy like a year ago. I'm gonna be honest. But yes, this does in fact happen. If you try to if you don't have the internet, it's like no, you need internet to install Windows now. I say just install Linux instead, much better. Although Linux itself still has issues. You go back to XP. Honestly, XP is probably better. Everyone, let's mass migrate to XP and all get hacked by the Russian Federation in 10 minutes. True story, that does happen. You should see that video. It was so crazy. So there's a video where someone hacked into the someone left their computer unfiltered on the internet on Windows XP, and it got hacked by the Russian Federation within literal seconds. Seconds of it. It was so that was a good video, I can tell you that. Yeah, that was like absolutely banger video. Too bad I didn't make it. Too bad I did not foresee how good that video would go. So, I mean, like, I don't know. I haven't streamed in too long. Chat, what do you want to talk about? Yes, I see, chat, I see. You're tired. Who isn't tired from time to time, chat? Who isn't tired? Chat, I almost drank all my water already. Stream just started. Stream just started, already drank all my water. Okay. Chat, I think I might have caught the stupid virus. I don't know how anything is working anymore. What? Chat, I caught the stupid virus. Why isn't this working? What am I missing here? What? Chat, I forgot how to program in C#. It's over. I was away. I was working in C and assembly a lot, and I got used to that. How about install a VM? What did that have to do with anything, chat? What does that have to do with anything, chat? Wait, what? What does that have to do with anything? I'm so confused. And noescape.exe. Okay, no escape is a crazy virus, though. It can handle through a reset by infecting your Windows backup files. That is crazy. I wouldn't have even thought to infect the Windows backup files, I'm gonna be honest. Who would have thought to infect the Windows backup files, and on top of that, the Windows bootloader? Who would have thought to do that? I mean, that makes perfect sense from a virus engineering point of view. Yeah. People who made a virus. That good point, chat, good point. Counterpoint? Counterpoint? I don't have a counterpoint. Yeah, I don't have a counterpoint. Too good. Yeah, too good. Chat, you are in fact a little bit too good. Okay. What else do I have to say? I have to watch audio only because I have bad Wi-Fi. It's kind of bad. Yeah, makes a little bit of sense. It sucks to have bad Wi-Fi, chat. It's so annoying. It's so annoying having bad Wi-Fi, chat. What are you meant to do the whole time? Like, I don't know. What are you meant to do? Just sit there? I'm guessing you just found, what's that thing called? Yeah, I'm guessing you just found out how to use Twitch emotes. Chat found out bad Twitch emotes. Oh, it's over. It's over, chat. We found out about the Twitch emotes. Let's be string. We need this to be a... So chat, my goal is I want to get over and done with this language pretty quickly. So then I can actually work on my main project on stream, which I probably won't do that often. But I want to get this over and done with because now it's pain. I mean, it's not that hard to do. It's just annoying to do at times, and I'm doing this in the worst way possible, so it makes it even worse. What am I doing? What's with this? What? Wait. Chat, I've confused myself. What? Why would it split it by that? Why would it split it by... No. What? Okay. Never mind, chat, I'm stupid. Okay, chat, I think I figured it out, but anyways. What is chat when I talk about or something? I don't fucking know. I'm bad at this English thing or something. I don't know who's who's good at English, chat? Who's actually good at speaking English? Yeah, chat, I'm terrible at coding, chat. Terrible. I'm terrible. I'm terrible too. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing. I'm terrible at this. I just guess the whole time, and apparently it works out sometimes. it works out from time to time, chat. I'm good at speaking English. I can't speak English. Who speaks English properly? Who needs that? Is good at speaking English properly thingy. You're right now. I mean, I'm speaking English, but I'm not good at it. That's what I'm trying to say. Who's good at speaking English? Couldn't be me. Couldn't be me. Could not be me. You know, good English speakers, me, no. Yeah, no, you know what, that is screwing up with my head. I'm not even reading that. That is messing with my brain. That I can't do that. Okay, so you need to check if, append new function found. So, yes, it is a little bit contradictory. Good, yeah, you're messing with my brain, chat. More context. What do you mean more context? I didn't say anything that could be taken out of a content. Yeah, you see, you are messing with my brain, chat. I'm losing it. I've lost it, chat. I've lost it. Don't worry about it. Completely and utterly lost it already, and it's been 22 minutes since I started stream. Okay. We'll just return all. Let's see if this works, chat. Wonderful idea. I hope this works. Nice. New function found. Okay, that's good. That's good. So what we'll do is... Might be back in like 3 hours. How little are you sleeping? If you're gonna be back in 3 hours, chat, how little are you sleeping? I need to know. Am I the only person who's concerned about that? You know what? Go for you, I guess. Whatever. Okay, so now we need to check the return type. Or we could just do this actually, which we could just do function. Test function. Then this can just return any type. Doesn't fucking matter what type it is, it just matters how the fuck we return from it. So do we have to store all these fucking function names somewhere? Probably in here. Galaxy Brain idea, we store it there. So then we just need to find. We just need to move up in the line. Oh my god. In 3 hours it'll be 1 AM for me, so I can wake up. Wait, watch up until you finish what you said. 2 AM. Then after 2 AM I will sleep on go. At that point, just stay up. At that point, just stay up. Professional advice. That sounds like too much effort just to fucking. Sounds like way too much fucking effort, chat. Way too much effort. Good night, chat. Okay, so we just need to find. So we have a list up here. Now, you might be wondering why we're using a list. We'll figure that out in 15 seconds. 15 seconds, we might figure out why we're using a list in like 15 seconds, chat. If I remember. So we're using a int list. Then we'll do add, and we don't need to do much parsing. All we need to do is we need another for loop. I know this code's becoming a mess, chat. Shut up. I is less than, and then we'll just put 9 a couple of times. The reason why is because we need to check the next space. We'll take the next space, and if the next space, we'll go down in the next space until we find the final, the final brace. This thingy, this thing right here. And when we find that brace, that's where we need to save, and then we can get the fucking whatever to fix whatever we're fucking done, okay? We can get the, what's it called, interpreter, yeah. My own, I forgot what I'm making, chat, don't worry about it. So, well, first of all, we need to find which line we're on, which, that's surprisingly easy, considering how it's right. It's right there, chat. It's right there, don't worry. So here we'll find which line we're on. We'll go through each line. We'll check the first command. If the first command is a function definition, we need to find how many off of the function definition it is. So we can check the next space. And then we'll do I. If this I is equal to what? What should this be equal to, chat? No, wait, I forgot, chat. God damn it, chat. I keep on forgetting what I'm doing. So we'll break. And once we break out of this loop, we want to add to this list where in the loop approximately we were. So, then up here, we'll add index file, and this should be equal to something, but we'll leave it at 0 for now. And then index file is equal to I. Then up here, this can't be equal to 0. Reason being is that if it's equal to 0, this will assume that it's at the start of the file for this void main. Yeah, I know it's contradicting itself. We'll fix that in a second. but it will assume that for this void main, that is where it's looking. But we need to actually tell it, no, you need to check this many lines down. So we'll store. How would I fix that? How the fuck would I fix that, chat? Yeah, I don't know. How the fuck would I fix that? The worst syntax ever. Chat, don't worry. It's the worst syntax, and that's why it's funny. It's the worst fucking syntax of my life. I'm making the most hated fucking programming language ever, and it's funny. Okay, so just to recap, we need to figure out. So we need to somehow figure out how do we know how many. Fuck, I can't focus on it. How do we know how many letters we are in the file by which line we're in? Now, logically, I'd think something along the lines of we need to we'll keep track of how much letters is in each line. You can fucking spell. We'll keep track of how much letters in each line, and then as we continue to go through, we can just add each one. So we'll have like an int array, which will be the sizes of lines, fucking lines, which is equal to a new int array, which is the lines dot length. Then we'll simply go through, so we can just do for each. It's basically the exact same thing, but it needs to be done entirely beforehand. So this will be done up here, and literally this can't be a for each, just needs to be a for. Oopsie daisies, chat. Literally all we need to do is we need to I've already explained what we're doing, but just in case you missed it, we need to go through each of the lines, and we need to grab the length and store it here. Then what we'll need to do is we'll need to go up over here and set index file to everything previous to us. So what we'll do is we'll do int I is equal to 0 while I is less than we need to somehow find which line we are currently on. So to find which line we are currently on, we need to have, we'll do this the worst possible way possible, because I know it will make people mad. There we go. And we'll just make sure at the bottom of this for each to do index plus plus. Then in here, index I plus plus. Then we'll do index file plus equals size of lines I, which will essentially just grab the size of the lines, add the size of the lines on each one until we're at the position, and then it will store this position and add it to the ints. Then we have this int up here, and all we need to do is int dot to array. Again, okay. So now we have the array for finding all the spans in the file. So we have the int array position. So we grabbed all their positions, chat. Now, once we've grabbed all these guys' position, for now we'll just print it. Just fucking, I forget that. One sec. I'm used to not. I haven't been programming in C# for a while. Chat, shut up. What line does it print? Hurry up. Never mind, it's having its issues. Outside the bounds of the array. How's that meant to be me issue? So what do you mean outside the bounds of the array? What's in line? Oh. Well, chat. That's entirely my fault. Oops-a-daisy. So if I do that, now it might fix it. It did. Okay, so what we gotta do is we gotta make sure functions are declared like that, or it's gonna cause some issues for now. Then, that looks a great idea. So, yeah, we need to check where it's showing it. So, print position 0. Now, will you tell us what position? 10. I'm gonna be honest, I think 10's a little off, chat. Just a little, just a little bit. Still, that's okay. So this one is alone is 14. Chat, it's a little off, just a little, just a little bit off. How the fuck did we get 10? Oh, this should be plus equals. $180. That sounds better. Oh, that's why. Okay, so now we got the index file, and all we got to do is once we found all the spans in this fucking file, then we'll need to so we'll do for each int position L in position. So for each positions in position, we'll create a new span. New span is equal to a new span. What inputs do you take again? You take the file, the file buffer, the start index position L. What else do you take? The file size, I have that stored somewhere. I'll just file buffer.length. And this will be equal to null. So something like this should be about right. Does it work? I don't fucking know. It does, okay. So now, chat. All we gotta do is, what the fuck is this? So all we gotta do is spans dot add new span. And we've got to make sure up here that we actually set spans. So something like that, where we set all the spans successfully, and then we go deal with the fucking rest of the issues. So now that we have all the spans set, we also need to be able to call these spans from any position in the script. Meaning that in these spans, I'm gonna actually want the script class. Okay, so we're gonna want the, we're gonna want the script class. So then, wherever the fuck the initialization is, we are going to set script is equal to, and we'll have script 1. So we'll do something like this, chat. If that makes any sense. So we'll store this script 1 into script. Then we'll move up here. Where was I? Oh my god. Oh, yeah. So then we'll move up in here. And just hand over this. this. Now we need the script because we're gonna have a public function here called public void. Actually, no, it has to be public object. Oh, fuck it. Oh, I hate Visual Studio Code. I hate Visual Studio. I hate this. I hate this IDE with a burning passion. I hate Visual Studio Code. Why does it? Why? Wait. Okay. Why is it that when you type object? Okay, now it works right. Of course it works right. You had to click 15 seconds ago of it not working right, but it assumes that it's like the longest shit ever. Why? Who the fuck needs that? Or who the fuck's gonna assume when you type an object that you need an object access rule first? I'm obviously needing an object. It's so annoying. It's very annoying, chat. It's very annoying. So object, and then we're gonna need I don't fucking know what we're gonna fucking need. Okay, so what we're gonna need is so we're gonna call this call function, and this function will take a input string function name. So right now all we have is ints and the thing in where the does this store the function name in a public string? Does this do that? I don't even remember how the fuck this my own code works. It's been too long. I haven't worked on this in a little bit too long. No, we don't. Let's store that. So we'll do public string function name function name. So then whatever the shit where would we pass that? Probably the start, either like the fucking creation. Actually, no, we can't yet. We'll have to input a string because that will be before our start index, meaning that area hasn't been properly initialized yet. So we'll need string. What string and string name. String script name and name what the fucking call it function name and then its function name will literally be null. So function name is equal to script name. So then what we'll do is, now that we have a thing here, up all the way up at the fucking top of the fucking file, we're going to need to find the name of the fucking function. This could be done by, well, we know the position, so now we just need to move back until we find a space. And so we need to move backwards until we find a space. So how about we'll do this, int temp position is equal to 0, and it's equal to, it's equal to position L, position L. It's equal to position L. I can't fucking type, I swear. It's equal to position L, and then while temp position, while actually no wait, while file buffer position fucking position L. I'm getting so on this keyboard is not equal to space. Position L. Position L. What's that wording? Position L dot. Position L. No, not position L. We need temp position. Minus. Then what we'll do from here is we need to get a string name. and we'll need to set the name to a, we'll need a for loop here, so we'll have int name size, and the name size will be set to 0 by default, and here name size, fucking name size plus, and stop deleting shit when I don't want you to. Then we'll do for int I is equal to 0, I is less than name size I plus, and then we'll simply do name plus equals file buffer dot temp position plus I. So then now we actually have a name. So now we actually have a fucking name instead for the fucking thing. And now up here, the name will literally just be like main, like that. That will be the name. Let's try that. What's the error? Oh, okay. Well, just return null for now. You happy? What are you mad about? What? Okay, well clearly that didn't fucking work, did it? Where the fuck is it? Sorry, while file buffer, position L. Not position L, oh my fucking god, temp position! Oh my fucking god. It worked, okay, that's good. Now, after all this time, we just might be able to. Okay, so now in call function, we simply need to go through, we need to do for each span in, spans, for each span in spans. We need to check for the span dot function name. So we'll do if span dot function name is equal to function name. If it is, we will break out of the loop and set span function is equal to null. Fucking, why did you do that? Null. And if here it is that we set span function is equal to span, and here if span function is equal to null, we need to throw a new exception. No such function in script. Okay, now, just maybe, we could just fucking stop doing that shit. Now we can return span function dot run. Now we'll also need object inputs. Like that. Okay, so now we should be able to call a function with a very simple, very simple something like this. So we can do so actually instead we use a $sign test function like that. So now, right now we'll complain about an unknown command. Nope, never mind, it just fucking works. Well, of course it would. Well, anyways, what we need to do is, where the fuck do we check for macros? Is it here? Nope. Where the fuck do we check for it? There it is. Yes, okay, so what we need to do here is we need to have another case. Case. Percent. Case. No, actually, that won't work. We need a... We can't use a case statement because we need to use a different amount of things. So, here, we'll do if line 0 is equal to $, then we will be running. Then we'll set the object. What does the object usually get set to? I mean, object usually isn't set. So, what we need to do is we need to run a function. So we need script. No, wait, what? Oh, no. Okay, so we need to input script. Script. Then script dot run. We need to set that to a fucking public function. Where the shit are you? Okay, so we need to set... Where the fuck are you? We need to set... you to a public. Actually, no, not you. Where the fuck are you? Yeah, wait, what? You are a fucking public function. Oh my fucking god, are you kidding me? I lost where I was. Why didn't... Script.run call function. Okay, now we need the input to the name. For now, we're just gonna fucking manually input. Where the fuck? Test function. Test function, like that. And then we're gonna input null. So something like this should be about right. Doesn't fucking work. I don't fucking know. We'll try. So what we'll do is in this function we will add print hello world. Oh, what's the fucking error? I can fix that, don't worry. Script. Okay, that didn't exactly fucking work. Why didn't it work? Why didn't it work? Let's actually check if this is being ran. So whatever the shit that was. Yeah, here, let's actually double check that's being ran. So we'll do console.writeLine. So we'll do function ran function we'll say running function. There we go. We'll try that. What do you mean that? Oh, fucking god. Why though? Why isn't it fucking working? I'm so confused. Sorry, print function. Wait, in what case is this function called? Oh, well, you know, that actually makes a lot of sense now. So what we need to do is we actually need to do an else. Yeah, actually up here we'll do a fucking or if trim line 0 is equal to a like that. Try that. Well, we're getting closer, right? Now I need to figure out why. Does it? Where do I manually set the fucking name? Do I do that? Oh my fucking god, my mouse. Do I do that? Is that right? So what have you been given for the function name? Okay. Span.function name. Okay, I want you to breakpoint on span.function name. Thank you. Restart. Okay. So span.function name. That is wrong. That's why no fucking shit is working. So which span is this? Which span? Okay, well this is the first one. Should I continue to the next one? Nope. It just crashes, because of course it does. So, I mean, do we even add these? Are we even adding these fucking... I mean, it should be adding them all. Make you fucking pause here. So that should run once. Okay. New span. Check here. I want to check the function name. That's fucking why it's not fucking working. But why is it doing that? So it's moving all the way back to like here. Why is it doing that? I don't get it. Ow. I don't get why it's doing that, chat. It makes no sense in any way, shape, or form. It doesn't make much sense, does it? Anyways. So, while I'm programming, I have to talk about my main project a little bit. So, for those who don't know, my main project is a operating system. Yeah, so currently I'm rewriting a lot of shit to C because it's easier to deal with my main project, and this is my side project, building a tiny little scripting language, mainly because I think it's just, I wanted to learn how a simple version of this would work, and I was like, what's a better way to learn than remake it? And that's my opinion on learning. The best way to actually learn how something physically works is to recreate it, okay? I believe that is the best way to learn how something works, is to rebuild it from scratch. Because then you know 100% whatever you made probably actually works this time. Because why wouldn't it? You made it from scratch. You know exactly what every single tiny thing is doing in your script, don't you? And if you don't, that's when I'm a little suspicious on if you actually made it or not. Because you should know how this shit works. I just haven't been in the script for a while, so I'm trying to figure out what I was doing. Where the fuck? Okay, when you check name, how is name being calculated? Huh. That's it. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I've lost it. Okay, so u equal to backslash 0, u equal to 183. That's what u are equal to, right? Position L, 183, 183. So we need to move the temp position down. So, blank H. And Where's H in the entire script? Capital H is up here. Wait, that makes no sense. Wait. Okay, so we need to add. So for some reason it is starting here. So why is it that many characters offset? Maybe my fucking dumbass algorithm is flawed or something. I don't know. So wait, next file. Okay, maybe we do this. We'll try that. We'll try that. Well, that's different. What's that checking for, though? Well, I mean, we'll see if that works. Was outside the bounds of the array. Outside the bounds of the array. What the fuck have I done? Yeah, I don't know what I've done, chat, but it's clearly not good. Whatever I've done. I just wanted different functions so you didn't have to rewrite code. Ow. My neck just cracked so badly. Why do I have this fucking function of all nums? Just have 0 and check if it's within 9 of it in ASCII. Ah! Fucking close the file. Anyway, so as I was talking about earlier, this is mainly my side project, and that's it's always streaming. My main project is a 32-bit protected mode operating system, which is where a lot of my effort goes, and I'm currently rewriting a lot of it to C because I got sick of programming in assembly. And yeah, so what I want to do with that operating system is, honestly, I just want to learn how everything works, like with a lot of things. That's mainly why I do what I do. So I'll be like, what's a good example? I'll be trying to figure out how everything works, because I want to understand how everything works. That is what I want to do. Yeah. I don't know what to say, but yeah, I just want to learn how everything works in computers. And honestly, if you want to program, I think the best way to program is just to be, I want to learn how this works and spend time trying to make that, like, make a copy of what you're trying to understand. Does that make any sense? Like, I think that's the best way to figure out exactly what you're trying to do. Okay, let's go to the name function. How's the name? Okay, so if I go here, backslash 0, R, backslash, okay, backslash R, 195. Next one. Okay, that's good. 194. Now after this, I'm gonna pause it here. See what it ends at. What is this set to? 193. So literally right. Okay, like, what is that in the file? It has to be somewhere close by. Could it be this? Because like, okay, it goes like 1, 2. So that's 1, 2. That's 3, 4. Because this is Windows. Can control line endings, and then this, and then there's space here or something, which means what all I gotta do is I gotta set add 1, and I gotta subtract. I'm so confused. What do I don't know what I'm doing anymore, chat. I think I've lost it this time for real. I don't know anymore. I think if I can just imagine like the title for the stream, it's like I attempted to get functions working in my programming language. Here's how it went, and it's like a 6-hour stream. I think the longer the stream, the more it explains how the stream went, in my opinion. Like, if I'm like, oh, I learned this language in one stream, I hated it, but I only did it in 3 hours. People can be like, oh, they hated it, but at least they did it quickly. But then, say someone did it in 6 hours, people are like, what? And they didn't hate it, they're like, what? I'm not talking from experience, don't check my YouTube channel. just shameless plug. So tell us the plus, what happens? F. Wait. Did that just find it? Did that just fucking find it? I'm gonna fucking lose my mind. Did that just fucking find it? I'm gonna It just found the fucking function! I'm gonna lose my mind soon. Okay, so what's name equal to down here? I need to know. We can skip all this. What's name equal to down here? Run name. Name. Why is it missing the C? Oh, while it's less than or equal to function size. Okay. What's name equal to? Test function. Okay, now we need to scroll all the way down here. And where we've manually programmed in test function, there's a small, tiny, minuscule chance my shit works for once. What do you mean index is outside the bounds? Oh. End index. What's end index to? Start index. And also, what do you mean outside the bounds of the array? End index is smaller than start index. What? I'm so confused. It's a file. 264. I think that's a very real address, I'm gonna be honest. What the fuck you on about? I think it's lost it. Oh my god, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I've lost it for real this time, chat. So, if I... Well, I mean... While span offset is not equal to -1. Oh, thanks for the follow. That jump scared me to fucking death. Thanks for the follow, DB9 Dreamer. Oh, Also, that fucking scared me to death. You do not understand. I almost fell out my chair, chat. You can't do that. I almost fell out my chair. I almost... Oh my god, chat. You can't be doing... No, thanks for the follow, though. I'm just a dumbass, chat. Don't worry about that, chat. I'm just being a dumbass. Anyways, as I was saying before, we got a little bit sidetracked, okay? I was complaining about some error. That's all I remember. I forgot the error. Fucking run the program! I hate this app. Oh my god. How does the out of bounds of... That makes no sense! How is it out of bounds of the array? Wait. Okay, so the start index is 197, and the end index is 264. How is it outside the bounds of the array exactly? I need you to tell me. I mean... What's the span offset equal to? 0. I have an idea. What I need to do, chat, I have an idea. I think I might know exactly what broke. So, my idea is that where the fuck? Where the shit is it? Oh, I've lost it. Up here. So, we know that I have to add to find it. So when I add to find it, that actually means I'm a little bit off. So what I do need to do is I need to add, so I lost it. Wait. I need to add name size. So what am I adding? Oh, I forgot what I'm doing. I forgot the program. What am I doing? It's been too long. I need to remember how to program. I've lost it. Wait, chat. I need to focus for 5 seconds. I haven't slept in too long. Okay, so we grab the temporary position and we add to it. And we add to name size too. Now here we go grab that name, and then here so we need to here add the name size, and we also need to add 3. Try that. Never mind, we add 4. Never mind, we add 4, chat. Oops, daisies, I was one off. I was a single one off. No, where the fuck is it? Oh, it's right here. +4. What do you mean? What does it fucking mean? What does it mean anymore? What do you mean? Wait. What does it mean? What do you mean? You know, we'll check what fucking letter that is. How about that? Fucking, what do you... this is what I hate about Visual Studio Code. What the fuck? I type in char, and it autocorrects to whatever the fuck that is. That's not what I wanted. Test is equal to that. Oh yeah, we also have to do a file buffer. I can't see because my microphone is in the fucking way of my fucking keyboard. Oops, daisies. I need to do a breakpoint. Where the fuck? Okay, do a breakpoint right here because we know it's set then. Why did... Oh my... Wait, oops, daisies. Move up. A breakpoint over here, please. Not one below it. What is test equal to? T. So if test is equal to T, we are just a little bit off, okay? Just a little tiny little bit off. That means We need to do name size times 2. Try that. What's test equal to? \r. +5. Thank you. Try that. What's that equal to? Test. Oh. Okay, what's +6 equal to? You know, maybe we're trying to find something or fucking something. Test, what are you equal to? I'm gonna lose my fucking mind soon. What the fuck is this equal to? Why? Windows, I swear to fucking God. Why does it have to be... Why is the Windows line ending 2 bytes anyways? Who needs a 2-byte line ending? Okay, how about that? Is that good? Is that good for your fucking liking? What do you mean it's still blank? Why? How the fuck is it still blank? How is it still fucking blank? No, this calculation has to be wrong. Try just adding fucking, I don't know. Try adding 8. Try adding 8 from there. What are you equal to? Tell me what you contain. C. Okay, so we need to add. Fucking, we need to add 9. 11. We need to add 11. Try that. Try that. Should be \n or \r. I don't even remember anymore. Show me what's in test function. Okay, now this needs to be +12. Now chat. Maybe, just maybe this time, if I set in here to that size, it might work. We'll try that. Okay, that's a good sign. I know why that error went off, chat. I don't know, actually. I don't fully know, but I might. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. I have no clue. Oh no, why? Okay, let's fucking debug this script now. Okay, so what name do you contain here? Go double check, So, name up here. What does this contain? It's fucking capitalization! Where the fuck is it? Okay. Don't worry about that. Now will you run? Yep, continue. What do you mean? What does it mean? That's a function. Okay, I need to stop here. What functions are you fucking looking through? Okay, continue. Okay. Do you fucking see that, chat? Do you fucking see that? I'm gonna lose my mind. I will just have to do .trim and it will work. Trust me. Continue. Wait, it worked? It worked? That fucking worked? Why did that work? So apparently that works now, chat. Anyways. So now we got a printing hello world here. And now we're going to return 1. So, returning itself is a bit more complicated. So, from my understanding of working between C and assembly, which is far more level than this fucking dumbass scripting language has ever going to go, but returning a function usually means messing with the stack a little bit. Oh my god. Usually means either messing with registers or the stack. Usually in C, it messes with the stack. Which, you know what? Whoever made C, kudos to them, because that sounds like an absolute fucking mess. I'm gonna be honest. Creator of C, good job, because I wouldn't know how to do it. I'm gonna lose it soon. To be honest, part of me already wants to end stream, but I'm like, no, I must at least stream for 2 hours when I'm back. Okay, so all we gotta do is we need to get the fucking test function. You see this test function? We need this to return a integer. So I'm thinking, but the issue is, how do I? Okay, so how do I get this test function to return into a variable? I'm kind of thinking and leaning towards something closer to this, where I can do like this. So I can go like fucking int test is equal to 0. Int test 2 is equal to 0. Thank you. Int test 2 is equal to 0, and then this, tell this to test 2. Something like that, okay? So basically telling the output to move into test 2. I'm thinking that is how the fucking functions are gonna work in this. I'm gonna be real. Do I think it's gonna work? Fucking no, I don't fucking know. Who the fuck knows anymore? Chat, who fucking knows anymore? I don't fucking know. Anyways, as I was saying before I got tangented on me being a dumbass. So, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, this is probably gonna be shorter stream today because I'm already fucking tired. And I'm gonna be honest. This is more of a side project, and I'm kind of over this because it's a fucking mess, and languages are hard to make. I learned the hard way. Languages are hard to make. Okay, as long as I can get a function to return a variable into this, I will be happy, and all I'd want to do then is build a simple app to prove that it theoretically can work, and then I'd be happy. But yeah, I don't know. I genuinely don't know anymore. I'm just tired and I want to go to sleep soon because I'm fucking tired. Do I need to fucking tell you I want to end stream soon? No, I don't know. Anyways, I am gonna try to stream for at least an hour, 30 minutes today because I haven't streamed like all like fucking week. Oops to daisies. Anyways, so what we need to do is, I don't fucking know. Oh yeah, so time to go on a rant about Linux. Okay, so I actually used to daily drive Linux until I wanted to start streaming, and I was like, I don't think I can get my software to stream working on Linux. OBS wasn't an issue, that immediately worked out the box. But you know what didn't fucking work? Any of the software for my models. Yeah, none of that shit worked. So now I'm stuck here. I'm stuck on Windows. I'm stuck on Microsoft Bimbos till the end of days, and I hate it. And I hate it, and I hate. Yeah, I forgot. I got fucking distracted by Steam. I forgot I even had Steam installed on this thing, but apparently I do. Anyways. Yeah, I don't need that anymore. So, we got this, and then when we return from a function, we're going to need to grab... Okay, so we need to first of all define what a return from a function is. So, up here, how are we currently handling running functions? So in a span, there should be a .run. You know, eventually we'll find a .run here. So, how are we defining what a return is? Okay, so right now we're just always returning null. So what I'll do is when we are running shit, we'll have a object return. Fucking object return. And this fucking, that was not intentional. Okay, now we'll return this return variable. Variable, okay? Then this has an unused return. We are going to use that return to set the return variable, and if return is equal to null, we need to break out of every loop that we are in. We need to break out of every loop. So this will break out of this loop here, making us so let's see, so we'll break out of the loop and we'll return. Okay, so then up on the very top of the function, we need to check for a return type. And if we are in fact returning, if I can ever fucking find the fucking function for it, where the fuck is it? Where is this fucking function? Well, it has to be somewhere, pass. Okay, so that's pass variable names. Fucking about macros. Where the fuck is? Yes, run macro. I found it, chat. Don't worry. So literally all we have to fucking do, okay, is if case at return. Okay, so the return's gonna have to look something like this, where you do at return 1. So case at return, and then we'll just set the obj is equal to line dot split 1, and then we'll do fucking dot split 0. So basically we are grabbing what's in between and setting that as a return type, and then we will break. Very, very simple thing here. So now if we do that, as we return, so where the fuck the run function is, it needs a return. Okay, so wait, so where the fuck is it? It's a script, and then we have a run call function. So we'll return this. So whatever's running call function needs to know where to fucking store it, and that will be here. So here we need to basically tell the function both where to write this and how to write it. So first things first, we need to actually pass where it is, and what I'm thinking is a very simple way to do this is we can check for everything after the point to the side. So it can be like string function name is equal to, that's a little bit wrong, but whatever, it's equal to this, is equal to this dot split 1 dot trim, and then we'll do dot trim and give it this symbol to remove. So now if I put a break point here, what is the function name? No, whatever, just what's it mad about? What are you mad about? Where? What fucking line of code are you mad about? Okay, let's see. Type. What's type equal to? No, that's actually fair. That's actually fair. I actually forgot to add this to the, var type keyword blockers. So where's that? Fucking. Okay, so. Actually, no, I can't do that. Ah, why the fuck is it doing that? Ah, my fucking microphone. Right. Where the shit is it? I lost my fucking error. Chat, you know what? I think I might have just. I think I might have finally fucking lost it. I think I might have just fucking lost it this time, chat. Look, I need to make it at least another fucking 4 minutes. Look, I'm not used to streaming. I haven't streamed in a while. So yeah, I need fucking. I need a type 0. If type 0 is also equal to $. Oh, where's type 0? There we go. Try that. What? How did it break again? How was it breaking? Ah, my. That makes no sense at all. You know what, chat? I'm gonna probably end the stream because I'm very confused. I mean, good thing we got functions running. Bad thing, we managed to break something and now it doesn't fucking compile anymore. Well, it does compile, but it doesn't fucking interpret anymore. Wow, how fun. Honestly, I'm kind of thinking of giving up on this project. It's a little bit of an insane undertaking to do on stream. Because my stream's always late, I'm always tired, and then I'm always not focusing on it and shit, so. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go leave now. Go leave and maybe sleep in a few hours, I don't fucking know. I don't know, bye or something, I don't fucking know. How you meant to end these streams? Bye.